Term 11. Solar easement. A solar easement is a specific type of easement that grants the right to use a portion of another property, servient estate, for the purpose of collecting sunlight for solar energy generation. Term 12. Conservation easement. A conservation easement is a legal agreement between a landowner, grantor, and a qualified land trust or government agency, grantee, that permanently restricts the use and development of a property for the purpose of conservation. Term 13. Rectangular survey system. The rectangular survey system, also known as the Public Land Survey System or Government Land Survey System, is a method used in the United States to define land ownership and location. It relies on a grid system created by intersecting lines running north-south, meridians, and east-west, baselines. This method of property description uses grids of squares called townships which are measured and numbered in each direction from the point of intersection of the baseline and meridian. Each township is 6 miles by 6 miles, 36 square miles. Term 33. Types of deeds. There are several main types of deeds used to transfer ownership of real property. The most common ones in the United States include grant deed, special warranty deed, quitclaim deed, bargain and sale deed, estate deeds. Term 34. Grant deed. Grant deed is the most common type of deed used in residential real estate transactions. It offers the strongest warranty of title to the buyer. The grantor, seller, guarantees that they have the legal right to convey the property and that there are no outstanding claims or liens on the property, except for those specifically disclosed in the deed. Term 35. Special warranty deed. Special warranty deed offers a lesser warranty than a grant deed. The grantor only warrants that they have not created any liens or claims on the property during their ownership. They don't necessarily guarantee that the property is free of any claims or liens that might have existed before they acquired it. Term 36. Quitclaim deed. A quitclaim deed transfers whatever ownership interest the grantor has in the property, but without any warranties. This type of deed is often used to transfer property between family members or to clear up minor title issues. Term 37. Bargain and sale deed. This type of deed is similar to a quitclaim deed in that it conveys whatever ownership interest the grantor has, but it may also include some specific language regarding the consideration, payment, exchanged for the property. However, it typically offers no warranties about the title. Term 38. Estate deeds. Estate deeds specify how ownership of a property will be passed on to future beneficiaries. Examples include joint tenancy deeds. Ownership is shared by 2 or more people with rights of survivorship, and tenancy in common deeds. Ownership is shared by 2 or more people, but there is no right of survivorship. Right of survivorship is a legal principle that dictates how property is transferred upon the death of one or more owners. When property is held with the right of survivorship, the surviving owners automatically inherit the deceased owner's share of the property. There's no need for a lengthy probate process. Term 39. Dill deed in lieu of foreclosure. A deed in lieu of foreclosure, DIL, is an alternative to the traditional foreclosure process. It involves a voluntary agreement between a homeowner facing foreclosure and their mortgage lender. In a DIL, the homeowner transfers the ownership of the property to the lender in exchange for being released from their obligation to repay the remaining mortgage debt.